Hello everyone, we are back again with another video, and today we are diving into a crucial aspect of Google Ads that every advertiser should be familiar with, that is search impression share. If you have ever wondered what it is and why it is important and how it can impact your advertising strategy, you are on the right place. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest insights. So let's jump into it. Alright, so firstly, what exactly search impression share is? In a nutshell, search impression share is the percentage of impressions that your ads received compared to the total number of impressions your ads were eligible to receive. It's a matrix that provides insights into how well your ads are performing in terms of visibility. Now that we know what search impression share is, let's talk about why it is crucial for your Google Ads campaign. Indeed, a high search impression share indicates that your ads are showing up frequently when users search for relevant keywords and maximize your exposure. How search impression share helps in decision making. Now let's talk about search impression share can inform your decision making process when it comes to Google Ads. It explains that a low search impression share might indicate that you need to optimize your bidding strategy, improve your ad relevance, or expand your keyword targeting. On the other hand, a high search impression share might suggest that you are doing well, or there could still be opportunities for improvement. In other words, search impression share provide valuable insights that can guide you in refining your ad campaign to ensure you are making the most of your advertising budget. So how exactly does search impression share play a role in adjusting your bids? Let's break it down. For example, let's say you are running a campaign for a line of sneakers. You notice that your search impression share is only 40%. This means your ads are showing for less than half of the searches where they could be relevant. Now here's where bid adjustment comes into play. Going back to our sneakers example, if your search impression share is low, you might decide to increase your bids for relevant keywords. This adjustment could potentially boost your ads position in the auctions and lead to a higher search impression share. In our sneaker campaign, if you have increased your bids and notice that your search impression share has risen to 60%, you are on the right track. This indicates your ads are now appearing more frequently in relevant searches. It's essential to keep a close eye on the impact of your bid adjustment. And there's you have it, everything you need to know about search impression share in Google Ads. Remember, it's not about getting clicks, it's about being visible to the right audience at the right time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with the fellow advertiser. Don't forget to leave your questions or thoughts in the comment section below. Until next time, happy advertising.